Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can generate Amazon affiliate link in mobile. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your mobile device and search for Amazon.com. After that, open the official website located at the top. Now, sign into your Amazon account and you will be redirected to the homepage. Here, tap on the double A icon at bottom left corner of your screen and a menu will open up. Inside it, select the Request Desktop Site feature and the web page will load up. Here, zoom into the top left corner and you can see that the Amazon Affiliates bar is present at the top. Now, you just need to access any product you want. Once you do, zoom into the top left corner and tap on this text embed. Here, a dialog box will open up. Simply tap on the affiliates link, copy it, and then share it onto your preferred platform. That's how you can generate Amazon affiliate link in mobile. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.